What if the global events we witness daily aren't just random, but a direct reflection of our collective thoughts and emotions? Today, on Kuvox Shift, we're unlocking the profound secret of collective consciousness and how your inner world impacts the entire planet. Prepare to see your power in global manifestation go far beyond yourself. Welcome, beautiful souls, to Kuvox Shift and another deep dive into the Awaken Your Inner Creator series. I'm your host, Sukhmander, and today we're expanding our horizons far beyond personal manifestation. We're venturing into a realm that connects us all, a concept both ancient and profoundly relevant in our modern world: collective consciousness and its astounding power in global manifestation. You've likely heard me talk extensively about the power of your individual thoughts, your intentions, your vibrations in shaping your personal reality. We've explored how to manifest abundance, joy, health, and purpose in your own life. But what if I told you that your thoughts, your emotions, your very being isn't just impacting your world, but the entire world? What if the tapestry of global events, the state of humanity, is not just a random series of occurrences, but a grand manifestation woven by the collective energy of billions of individuals? This, my friends, is the essence of collective consciousness. Think about it. We are all interconnected, not just by physical proximity or digital networks, but by an unseen energetic fabric. Every thought, every feeling, every belief we hold sends out a ripple into this vast energetic ocean. And when billions of these ripples combine, they create powerful waves. Waves that can shape political landscapes, influence economic systems, drive social movements, and even impact global health and environmental crises. This isn't just philosophy, it's a profound understanding of how reality is co-created. Now, before we dive deeper, let's unpack these terms. Collective consciousness refers to the shared beliefs, ideas, moral attitudes, and knowledge that operate as a unifying force within a society or group. It's the sum total of all human minds, interconnected and influencing each other. It's like a massive, invisible thought cloud hovering over humanity, constantly being updated and reshaped by every single person's input. And global manifestation, this is the tangible outcome, the real-world reflection of that collective consciousness. It's the unfolding of events, the societal norms, the prevailing conditions we experience on a global scale. From peace treaties to pandemics, from technological breakthroughs to social unrest, these are all, in a profound sense, global manifestations of our shared human experience and our collective energetic output. So, the million-dollar question becomes, if our individual thoughts contribute to this massive global tapestry, how can we consciously contribute to a better world? How can we harness this understanding to foster global healing, peace, and prosperity, rather than inadvertently fueling division and suffering? This is where your inner creator truly transcends the self and steps onto the global stage. The mechanics of collective energy, how it works. Let's delve into the mechanics. Imagine every thought, every emotion, every intention as a vibrational frequency. Positive thoughts, love, compassion, gratitude, hope, vibrate at a higher frequency. Negative thoughts, fear, anger, hatred, despair, vibrate at a lower frequency. When enough people hold similar vibrations, these frequencies resonate and amplify each other. It's like tuning forks. Strike one, and if another is tuned to the same frequency, it will begin to vibrate too. In the same way, a collective wave of fear can trigger widespread anxiety, panic, and even conflict. Conversely, a collective wave of hope and unity can ignite movements for positive change, foster innovation, and bring about remarkable solutions to seemingly insurmountable problems. Think of historical moments. The fall of the Berlin Wall wasn't just a political event. It was a global manifestation of a collective desire for freedom and unity. The rapid advancements in technology aren't just the work of a few geniuses. They're fueled by a collective human drive for progress and connection. Even global crises, while appearing devastating, can often be seen as a collective call to action, forcing humanity to evolve and find new solutions. This isn't about blaming individuals for global problems. Far from it. It's about empowering each of us to understand our inherent power to influence the whole. It's about recognizing that we are not isolated islands, but essential threads in a vast, interconnected web. Your role as a conscious global manifestor. So, what does this mean for you? How can you become a conscious global manifestor? 1. Cultivate your inner state, high frequency living. This is always step 1. Your personal vibration is your most potent contribution to the collective. When you cultivate inner peace, joy, gratitude, and love, you are literally sending out high frequency signals into the collective consciousness. This isn't selfish, it's foundational. A calm, centered, and loving individual contributes to a calmer, more loving world. 2. Practice intentional global visioning. Beyond your personal affirmations, dedicate time to global visioning. Close your eyes and imagine a world filled with peace, abundance, health, and harmony. See clean oceans, thriving ecosystems, compassionate leaders, and communities living in unity. Feel the emotions associated with this vision: joy, relief, hope. This isn't passive daydreaming, it's active, energetic co-creation. The more people who hold this positive global vision, the stronger the energetic template becomes for it to manifest. 3. Choose your information wisely. The information you consume significantly shapes your consciousness. Constant exposure to negativity, fear-mongering, and divisive narratives can lower your vibration and contribute to a collective atmosphere of anxiety and despair. While it's important to be informed, be mindful of your information diet. Seek out sources of hope, solutions, and positive initiatives. Amplify stories of human kindness, resilience, and progress. Your focus directs your energy. 4. Engage in conscious communication. Every word you speak, every comment you type online, contributes to the collective conversation. Are your words adding to division, anger, and blame, or are they fostering understanding, compassion, and solutions? Practice conscious communication. Even in disagreement, aim for respectful dialogue. Remember, words carry vibrational energy, and collectively, they shape our reality. Participate in collective intentions, global meditations, and prayers. There are many global initiatives focused on collective meditation, prayer, or focused intention for peace, healing, or specific global challenges. Participating in these amplifies your individual effort. When thousands or even millions of people focus their intention on the same outcome at the same time, the energetic impact is exponentially powerful. Research these groups and join in when you feel called. 6. Support aligned initiatives. Beyond energetic contribution, consider how you can physically support initiatives that align with your vision for a better world. This could be through volunteering, conscious consumption, supporting ethical businesses, or advocating for policies that promote unity, sustainability, and human well-being. Your actions are also a powerful form of manifestation. 7. Release judgment and embrace unity. Perhaps one of the most challenging, yet crucial aspects of contributing to positive global manifestation is to release judgment. When we label groups of people, demonize those with different views, or cling to us versus them narratives, we reinforce separation. True collective consciousness thrives on the understanding that we are all expressions of the same fundamental energy. Embrace unity, even in diversity. Seek common ground. Real-world implications and challenges. Of course, the concept of collective consciousness and global manifestation isn't without its complexities and challenges. There will always be varying beliefs, conflicting agendas, and the inertia of existing systems. However, understanding our collective power gives us a vital tool for navigating these challenges. One significant challenge is the sheer volume of negative information and the constant amplification of fear by certain media outlets or social algorithms. It can feel overwhelming to counteract this. This is precisely why conscious awareness and intentional action are so vital. Your individual light, multiplied by millions of others, can truly pierce through the darkness. Another challenge is maintaining hope and perseverance when global problems seem intractable. This is where faith in the power of the collective, and particularly in the inherent goodness and evolutionary drive of humanity, becomes crucial. Remember, just as a single cell contributes to the health of an entire body, your conscious contribution contributes to the health of the global body. We are living in a pivotal time, a moment of profound shift. The increasing interconnectedness of our world, while presenting challenges, also offers unprecedented opportunities for accelerated global manifestation. Never before has it been so easy for collective intentions to form and propagate. The future of collective consciousness. What does the future hold for collective consciousness? I believe we are moving towards a heightened awareness of our interconnectedness. As more individuals awaken their inner creator, they will naturally gravitate towards contributing to the greater good. We will see more emphasis on collaborative solutions, empathy-driven governance, and a greater respect for all life on this planet. Imagine a world where conscious global manifestation is taught in schools, where collective intention setting for global challenges is a regular practice, where media focuses on solutions and unity. This isn't a pipe dream, it's a potential future we are actively co-creating right now with every thought, every word, every action. Your individual journey of awakening your inner creator isn't just for your benefit. It's a gift to the world. It's an act of service, a profound contribution to the evolution of humanity. When you master your own energy and direct it consciously, you become a powerful force for global good. So, as you continue on your path of personal growth and manifestation, remember the vast, beautiful tapestry of collective consciousness. Remember that you are a vital thread, and your conscious contribution truly matters. Let's collectively manifest a world of peace, abundance, and unity. Let's awaken the global creator within us all. All right, let's briefly revisit the key takeaways from today's profound discussion on collective consciousness and global manifestation. Firstly, we defined collective consciousness as the shared energetic field of all human thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, and global manifestation as the tangible reality that unfolds from this collective energy. Your individual thoughts and feelings are not isolated. They are constantly contributing to this vast energetic ocean. Secondly, we explored the mechanics, how high-frequency emotions like love and hope amplify positive outcomes, while low-frequency emotions like fear and anger can contribute to negative ones. It's about resonance and amplification. Thirdly, and crucially, we delved into your role as a conscious global manifestor. This involves cultivating your inner state, maintaining high personal vibrations, practicing intentional global visioning, vividly imagining a better world, choosing your information wisely, curating a positive information diet, engaging in conscious communication, using words that unite, not divide, participating in collective intentions, joining global meditations or prayers, supporting aligned initiatives, taking physical action for good, releasing judgment and embracing unity, fostering connection over division. Finally, We acknowledge the challenges but emphasize the immense opportunity we have right now to consciously shape a more positive future. Every conscious individual is a powerful agent of global change. Thank you so much for joining me on Kuvox Shift. Remember, you are a powerful creator, and your power extends far beyond your personal world. Until next time, keep awakening your inner creator, and let's collectively shift the world for the better.